This is the Bassani Radius Sweeper 2-in-2 full exhaust system made specifically for the Yamaha Bolt from 2014 to 2019. This exhaust features a 2-inch diameter and includes a full set of black heat shields with the pipes. Pipes themselves also feature a black powder coated finish to match up with the heat shields, and the O2 sensors are included on the pipe. The passenger foot pegs must be removed or relocated in order to properly install the exhaust. Make sure to order your Bassani exhaust from accessoryinternational.com.
Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.